of wanted to go hiking, and as I was at work, I was just thinking about how fun it'd be to just be out in nature, especially since it's the weekend, and it was just a busy week of work, and to be in nature is just so refreshing. And so I got off work and said, well, let's go hiking. Let's go find a place to watch the sunset, and maybe cook a little quick meal. And then as I was thinking, I was like, well, tomorrow's Saturday, and I don't have to go to work until the evening, so why not spend the night and find a campsite. So we're about 40 minutes from a camping spot, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a spot to go camping. We're racing against the clock because it is currently 5 o'clock and sun sets at 6:20ish. So hopefully we'll find a spot before it gets dark. And it's exciting because I get to sleep in my Subaru tonight. And that'll be the first time I get to do that. So I found a dispersed camping area. Well, I think I found a road that I'm supposed to be taking, but I didn't realize how rough it was. Oh gosh. Okay, we're gonna have to turn around. We can't do that. That is a rough road. And I'm already scratching the bottom of my vehicle. I think it might just be rocks rolling. But let's go ahead and try to find another spot. Oy. Take it slow, take it slow. Oh gosh. Okay. So I found another road that looks promising. It's definitely less terrifying to drive on. Still pretty bumpy, but hopefully we can find a spot. All right, we need to come on this curve. Oh, this is a spot. Wait a minute. That could work. I think we're gonna pull in there. Oy. So this is kind of the spot that I found. Kind of secluded. Not too bad. This is the Masubi. So start pulling things out and get cooking. There we go. This way. Got some sourdough bread. And then tonight's meal is going to be macaroni and cheese. It's going to be a macaroni and cheese grilled cheese sandwich. So, should be good. First time trying to make it. I unfortunately forgot the hot cocoa and extra water, so I'm going to be using my personal water to make this macaroni and cheese, grilled cheese. I also switched to the phone because the GoPro was having a hard time in this darkness. Oh, we're boiling. Go ahead and cut off. Try out this bread. Not pretty good. Butter these dudes up. Let's see. This. I don't know how much to put in there. We'll just eyeball it. Huh? That looks disgusting. Mix it up. Give it a little creaminess. A decent amount. Start off with that much. Going all around. It's gonna be a little bit messy. More cheese. That. Smush it down. Alright, we're gonna give it a flip. Oh, got some crispy cheese on there. Mouth out. Looks pretty good. Let's give it a taste. That's pretty good. I think the only thing I would do differently next time is mix the cheddar cheese in with the macaroni before, so that it can kind of be a little bit thicker, but came out pretty good. Alright, time to set up the bed. Got this nice sleeping pad that definitely give me enough cushion and comfort to sleep through the night. One thing about this pad, it does take a while to fill up. It has this little cushion thing right here that you press down. It takes a while to work out. I'm so sorry you guys fell. Oh, let's try that again. Again, I just bought this sleeping bag today because my other one was too small. It's called a Ascend. It's supposed to be 20 degrees. We'll check it out. See if it keeps us warm tonight. I don't know if I open it though. Oh, maybe listen to these bad boys. Why is that harder than it should have been? Nice. Looks pretty warm. We'll find out. Now for the moment of truth and the finale of the setup. We got Mr. Sharky. Ho, ho, ho. He turns colors. Mr. Sharky will go right here. Oh, okay. Mr. Sharky will not go right there. We're gonna go right here. Right there. That's perfect. Go right there. Let's turn off this light. Oh, just shined in my eye. We have. How do you turn this on? Voila. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. Well, I don't know actually what time it is, but I'm exhausted. I think I'm gonna read a chapter of this book, and then head to sleep. That's all for tonight. Probably cooking some breakfast in the morning, and then heading home. Quick little trip. So, good night. Well, it is close to midnight, and yeah, was asleep for a little while, and woke up with a lot of pain, like I think heartburn maybe, which makes sense. I ate like a gallon of cheese tonight. That and the moon is shining so bright. It's windy outside, so we'll see if I get any more sleep. I'll update you in the morning, I guess. Good morning. My body hurts. Whoa. Where'd my voice go? Awesome. Oh, what time is it? Almost 7 o'clock. Sun is coming up. Part of me just wants to go, part of me wants to just go home and take a nap. That was a rough sleep. But I think I slept for maybe a couple hours. So that's cool. Oh man. Well, turns out I also left the salt and pepper for breakfast at home. So I think I'm just gonna have a couple tortillas and pack up the table that I brought and head home. Kind of lame, but what can you do? Bon appetit. I'm tired. Check out that sunrise. Well, I guess that's it for the video. Thanks for joining me on this spontaneous adventure, this little tiny camping trip.